Okay, this is test one with two TableMicIIs, the Roger on and the Roger neck loop. I've got two laptops typing, one laptop typing, the other laptop typing. The setup is pretty much what you would expect from a typical classroom setup. And the room is a fairly large room, but the tables themselves are sized up pretty well. And that, as soon as I plug in this guy, we should hear with the table mics here. Now it's connected to a Roger on, so that's gonna be our first test. See if it picks me up on the Roger on. And I'm gonna move this away so that we don't accidentally pick up any noises from my camera mic. That's Cindy. Say hello, Cindy. Wait, I'm very bad with the camera thing. Say hello. Okay. So this is test one. Plugging it in now. Okay. Now the audio should be coming from this Roger on. So we're going to see if you pick up any of the table mics typing as I wear this. You shouldn't. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the table mic, the Roger on. So this is me talking now by TableMicII. So you should be able to pick up TableMicII talking over both laptops typing. And this is me talking over TableMicII. You should be able to pick up just TableMicII and not the typing of both laptops. I just unmuted it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm back. I'm gonna stop this and we'll see if this worked.